Hey guys, quick video here on the SkiDoo MXZ 800. I had a little fuel pickup issue. It actually ran out of gas. I was sitting waiting to cross. I was on a snowbank and the nose was up in the air and it ran out of fuel. So I suspected there's a problem with the pickup. And yeah, the original hose had pretty much disintegrated. It was all split. It wasn't even attached. So yeah, basically it was, sucking fuel from where the fitting goes through the front of the tank. There wasn't a hose, going to the back where the fuel was. I was low on gas. Actually, I was heading to a gas station. So, yeah, got everything apart here. It's pretty easy to get the tank off. Don't be intimidated. You just go through the trunk of your seat, take out a couple nuts here, and slide it back, disconnect the plug for the lights. It's right here. Okay, really easy. Couple little fasteners up here to get that apart, and there's a vent hose, but there's really not much to it. If you're not low on fuel, well, you're going to spill some gas probably, or do what I did and jack it up in the front. I have a floor jack lifting the front of the sled so that my tank was on an angle when I took it out, and I hardly lost any fuel. So the next thing is how to get this thing back in, because my clamps had broke as well. So I used a stainless hose clamp, but unfortunately, if I can get that on film, it doesn't fit through there. So just doing a quick video. Hey, this isn't rocket science, but maybe it'll help someone. So I grabbed a coat hanger, okay, and I'm gonna try to fish it through here. Grab a flashlight so I can see what I'm doing. Don't use a lighter. Try to use a something that's not going to blow up, because this thing smells like fuel. Okay, here she comes. All right. And then I'm going to try to just put the hose on here like this. Okay. And bring it back through. Okay. Here she comes. If I don't knock it off of there. There we go. Okay. So that's threaded on there. Now we'll put it back together. And then up in here is the other connection. Let's see if you can see it. It's right here. Okay. And that's going to connect there. And then we're going to push it in. And I did get a new grommet as well. So you might want to look for those online. I happen to have one because the last time I was at the dealer for one of my other sleds, I bought a couple. So that's the rubber piece. Here, I'll zoom back in. Right here, this big rubber collar that fits on that plastic barb, and that thing broke when I took it out. My other sled, my 99 SkiDoo, it had swollen up and disintegrated from the ethanol fuel. So okay, that's about it. I'm going to start putting it back together, but there's a little trick to get your fuel hose, fished back through the tank and ready to hook up. See ya.